It's Sunday, it's the 9th of February, and you are watching Paul Rudd's weekly weather roundup here at High Crompton Park. Time now to have a look at your weekly weather photos. Thank you for sending them in. Okay, in at number 3, we've got Anne Clegg. You have sent us this beautiful photo of a beautiful blue sky, which we may see near the end of the week, hopefully. So thank you, Anne Clegg. Our next one, number 2, Rick Hall. You have sent us this beautiful rainbow at the races. I hope you won at the races. Let me know if you won. And in at number 1 this week, it's our very own Queen Bee. You sent us this fantastic picture of a red sky at night time, shepherd's delight, and that means better weather to come. And I hope it's better weather than today. Very windy here at High Crompton Park. And if you would like to send me your weekly weather photos, then please just email them to me and you could feature as a weekly weather watcher. Just having a nice gentle stroll here at High Crompton Park with the fantastic bowling green behind me there and the lovely gardens at the back. Time to take a look at your weekly weather outlook for Shaw and Crompton. It is going to be a chilly one. It certainly feels cold today. Those easterly winds will be picking up. Very chilly one and very overcast. It will be rather cloudy for the next few days, but I hope near the weekend we will see a glimmer of that wintry sunshine. And that's your weekly weather outlook for Shaw and Crompton. Let's check out your 7-day weather trends for Shaw and Crompton then. Monday is looking like an overcast day. We may get some rain and drizzle in at times. There may be some sleet over the hills, so just be careful about that. Tuesday, it's like a little bit of a repeat performance. Tuesday is going to be overcast as well, and Wednesday is going to be a little bit overcast. Very, very cold. The temperatures are going to be very, very chilly as well. So get the fire on, mother. I'm coming home in a bit. Okay, and as we look into Thursday, another overcast day, but Friday's not looking like a bad day. We may get some sunshine in there, and Saturday and Sunday looking rather cloudy. So have a great week, everybody. From me, Paul Rudd, here at High Crompton Park. I'll be back next week with another weekly weather roundup. Ta-ra for now.